Today we'll be working out a Ruffian coloring magazine. This is more than just a coloring book. It's a photorealistic coloring magazine that lets us express our creativity in a new way. This dapper dog sitting in a garden will challenge us today as we use multiple colors to really make the background look real. I'll be using a basic set of colored pencils. No need for any special or fancy coloring tools. I laid down a base color of dark green in the shadows, then picked my favorite colors to add a splash of color to the flowers. As you can see, the background is coming together nicely. You can use any colors you like. These coloring pages aren't just relaxing. They let you express yourself any way you want to. You can go as bright or as dark as you want, depending on your mood. It's a great way to relieve stress. As we move on to the lower half, I like to use different shades of brown to fill in the ground and step he is sitting on. Now, on to these kicks. I went with some light blue sneakers and added a beige color in the white areas. Filling in the white makes it a little more realistic, as sunlight will reflect off the shoes in real life. I want this handsome pup to wear some khaki colored pants, so I use a combination of several shades of yellow to give them color. An easy way to elevate your coloring is to use a darker shade in the shadows and a lighter shade in the highlights. Some people like to use one color for everything, but using the separate colors really makes it pop. Speaking of separate colors, I continue with the same technique on the jacket. Only this time, I used a little bit of yellow for the highlights. This makes it look like the sun is hitting our model, and it makes sense, since he's sitting outside. Our shirt will remain a white shirt, but we'll add a little bit of yellow to represent the sunlight. Our tie will be a combination of red and orange, and the pocket square will match. We'll keep our fur simple as we use 2 shades of brown. What I love about this magazine is that we can use any colors we want when coloring our dog. Nothing about this is boring or traditional. Even though I'm picking realistic colors, it would still look amazing even if I use crazy combinations. Let's finish up our pup with a pink nose and some cool blue shades for the lenses. Wow, this turned out better than I expected. The colors in the garden mix perfectly with our dapper suit. This page took about an hour to complete. It was a great way to decompress from the day and improve my creativity. We hope you enjoyed it too. If you like this, please tell a friend and tune in for our next one.